Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to change the button text color in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am editing a web page of my website and I have just created a section, and in that particular section I have simply added a button widget. And now I am going to change the button text color. So for changing the button text color, you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You will simply click on that pen icon. In the left side toolbar you will find three kinds of setting: content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. You just need to move to the style setting, and here in the style setting, in the button settings, you will find the text color. Right now it is by default. You can change it to any color. Like for example, I just want to add red color, okay, or a green color, or blue color, or like pink color. Whatever the text color I want, I can simply choose it from the color palette. So this is how you can simply change the button text color in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my blog link in website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.